Test 1 2 3. Okay, I record. Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm gonna show you the Wave Modifier. So I'm in Blender. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click G, X and move this aside by the mouse. Shift A on the mesh. I'm gonna choose plane. S and just move the mouse to make it bigger. Yes, and I'm gonna just select this plane, click tab and right click and subdivide right here by 100 times. Because we need more geometry to this wave modifier has smoother effect. So I'm just selecting this plane, and just go on this tab, on this modifier tab right here on this icon, and just select fucking wave. And if I'm gonna just click spacebar or right here, click play value, I have this kind of stupid effect, yes, like some kind of jumping around wave effect, yes, on this fucking plane. And basically you have the controller right here on this panel, what kind of position the wave is, yes, and if I'm gonna just turn off the X value direction, I have on the Y direction only, yes, on, as you can see. And if I'm gonna just turn Y direction is on this fucking side. So you get it, the idea, yes, this is the position basically, what kind of you get it, this fucking wave effect, yes, on one direction. This icon basically just looping the animation. So as you can see, I'm just playing and it's fucking all over again. But if I'm gonna just turn this off, I'm gonna just have one effect and it's disappearing. Okay, so this is just fucking looping the effect. This basically have this negative values to it, so I'm gonna show you on the fucking cube because on the plane is not looking good. So I'm just selecting my cube, go to the edit mode by clicking tab, right click and subdivide by maybe 50 times just to show you. Select this cube by the left click and go on the modifier and just add wave, and I have this fucking effect like on this plane, yes, this cube is jumping around. And if I'm gonna just turn this on, as you can see, it's just basically shrinking too. So this gives me basically this kind of negative values in it, this, and I can of course turn on basically wherever direction I want, yes, this effect to have. So if I'm gonna just, as you can see, it's shrinking and it's going in this direction. So I hope you get it, what kind of effect this. My English sucks, so yeah. Now I'm gonna delete this cube by the left click X and delete, and basically the fallout right here values, if I'm gonna just play, basically how quick the waves losing the energy is this kind of value, yes, right here. The height, of course, this depends how high the waves, yes, effect have, as you can see. If I'm gonna just turn this a little bit more, is I have bigger wave effect, yes. If I'm gonna just make it a little bit smaller and move this down, I have this fucking effect, yes. So this is the height, of course, it's very simple. Now this value basically how the distance between wave, okay, is this width or whatever it's called. So if I'm gonna just play us around, as you can see, I can make it very like this kind of effect, yes, smaller distance, yes, and make it very smaller distance, wait guys, and make it very big, yes, distance, as you can see, very just one big wave, as you can see, yes, this is stupid stuff. Now right here, this fucking value, how smooth basically the waves are, if that makes sense. If I'm gonna just turn this very like down, it's give me very smooth. I'm gonna turn the height value, very smooth effect, yes, and I'm gonna just play on the width because this give me very strange effect. So right here you're just controlling the smoothness of the fucking wave on this. As you can see, it's not very smooth, but right here you can play around on this shit. You can use Vertex Groove on this Wave Modifier. Yeah, of course, I'm not gonna explain this because it's stupid. And basically, you can the starting point, yes, you have the center of the fucking object, yes, or whatever, and you can just play around. So if I'm gonna just show you and move this right here on the X, I can move basically this starting point, yes, of the fucking waves. It's starting right here. Oh no. So I'm just moving this around, as you can see, yes, and create some stupid stuff. And you can use object to manipulate this. So Shift A, of course, empty, and right here. It's late, okay, guys, and I am not annoying recording this, but I'm tired. Basically, I'm gonna select my empty that I add right here, Shift A, empty, and if I'm gonna just move this around, as you can see, here is the starting point. No, here is the starting point. Oh no, here. You get it, the idea, yes? It's simple. Now the time, basically the offset is like the offset, yes? If I'm gonna just set the offset because it's starting on the frame, basically 0, yes? 1. If I'm gonna just play the offset maybe 20, it's gonna start, of course, on the frame 20. Nothing, and it's 20, as you can see. Nothing, 20, and it starts. So this is the offset, of course, yes? The live, basically, if it's 0, it's gonna repeat. And you can determine how long on the frame, yes? If I'm gonna just have the offset 20, and maybe live maybe 20, so how much? 20 and 20, it's 40, should be, yes? So 0, 0, 20, and it's end 40, as you can see, yes? So basically how long the frame, you just add in how long the frame it's gonna take place. If I'm gonna just click 0, and right here is 0, I have from the fucking 0, yes, value. So it's very simple, guys. Of course, the speed and the right here, you just playing around on the speed of the waves, yes? If I'm gonna just play, as you can see, I have very slow effect. And to be honest, I never use this modifier that much, but I think it will be cool to create some kind of atomic explosion with this, or maybe some kind of very big wave, you know, using this modifier. Yes, you can see some kind of very atomic explosion and just ground moving, yes, or maybe some kind of very big wave. Oh no, now atomic bomb. So yeah, and you can use, of course, textures. So I'm gonna just play around on the fucking time to make it a little bit faster. You can use texture, just click new, right click on this fucking icon, and you can choose whatever, yes, as you can see, whatever textures you want, and play around on this shit. I have this fucking wave effect, yes, it's like fucking earthquake or whatever, and you can play around on this shit, yes, to add some displacement, or maybe this fucking wave effect, yes, this displacement. So play around if you want. Yeah, I'm not using this modifier, like I said, that much, to be honest, but there you have it, guys. Simple stuff, simple shit. Play around with this stuff. It's not that complicated. Thank you for watching. I need content, okay, guys? Maybe I'm gonna record every video, every modifier is gonna be. I'm gonna have more content. Let's go! Okay, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. I'm gonna record some complicated stuff too, so stay tuned for that.